Let us solve one problem from mathematical physics. So the problem states that the solution of a given integral is in the closed integral of sine pi z square plus cos pi z square by in the denominator it is z minus 1 into z minus 2 into integral is over dz. So where c is the circle of z of radius of 3 is given by which. So we need to find the value. Let's write the integral in the way. So integral fx is written as sine pi z square plus cos pi z square into z minus 1 into z minus 1 into z minus 2. So the function have two singularities at z equal to singularities at z equal to 1 and z equal to 2. Both are the simple poles. See, both are the simple poles, right? So we will use the residue theorem. So as per the residue theorem, so we can write that c is equal to fx dz, means fz dz. So it will be 2 pi I, the residue of f z equal to 1 plus residue of f z equal to 2, right? We will compute the residues at z equal to 1. So z equal to 1, we can have that residue of f z equal to 1. So we have the limit z tends to 1 z minus 1 into fz. So we can write, so it will be sine pi plus cos pi by minus 1. So the answer will be 1, right? At z equal to 2, we can write z equal to 2, then we find the residue f z equal to 2, limit z into z minus 2 into fz. So it will come around, so sine 4x sine 4 pi plus cos 4 pi by 1. So it will come 1, right? So the final result will be given as, so it will be closed interval of c, f of closed interval f of z dz equal to 2 pi I into 1 plus 1. So it will be 4 pi I, right? So the final answer is 4 pi I. So which is the according first option of our given problem. Hope the solution is clear. So thank you.